Hello my lovely viewers, we are back again with another wonderful recipe that you can have with super kanja, or you can have it with thick pepper soup or any kind of soup that you like. So it's basically flour dumpling, and the ingredients we have are flour, we have salt, we have lemon and water. Those are the only ingredients that we need for this dish, and we are adding in the lemon and the salt just to do away with the sugary taste of the flour when it is cooked. So if you don't have lemon and salt added to it, the taste of the dumpling is sugary. So to remove that sugary taste, we add in those ingredients. So here we have about 200 grams of flour. In that we are going to add a pinch of salt, okay, and we have lemon juice here to add to it. This is about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice to be added to the pot. So you put all of the ingredients in the cooking pot that you're going to use, add some water to it and mix it. So we're going to add some water to it. So now we're going to add first 1 cup of water and mix to see the consistency. So mix that. 1 cup of water is not going to be enough, so we may need about 2.5 cup of water here. So we've already added 2 cups of water, so we only use 2 cups of water for 2 grams of all-purpose flour. Now we're going to add in the lemon juice. Okay, mix it all together. Our fire is already set, so we're going to put it on that. So at this stage we'll be mixing it continuously, non-stop, until the dumpling starts forming like this. Alright, and when it all gets formed, we will look at the consistency. If it is okay, we keep mixing until it's cooked, else we will sprinkle in water little by little until we get all of the dumpling forming. So after 2 minutes of mixing the dough continuously, it has gotten to this consistency, to this level. So I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of water, okay, to release some of the sticks at the bottom of the pan. So I might do that 2 to 3 times before the fufu gets completely cooked. You see, all of that water has disappeared and the dumpling has started forming. So I'm going to sprinkle more water. Little sticking on the pot. So this is basically how you make your fufu. I'm going to mix this for another 1 minute and the fufu is done. So after 2 minutes of mixing continuously and sprinkling some water twice, this is how it gets. So I'm going to put it down now and make balls of it. So the moment it is hot, at this hot moment, that's when you make balls of it to get a wonderful ball. So to do that, I have a bowl of water and the dumpling template. So I'll wet my hands, dip in the dumpling. Okay, make balls of it. So you can make them small, you can make them big, anyhow you want it. So you do this when it is hot. That's why you have the water.